Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Samsung Smart TV and you need to do a hard reset on it. Maybe it's having some major bugging issues. Maybe it won't connect to the internet or Bluetooth or something like that, and you're just at your wit's end. A lot of times just doing a hard reset will fix these issues. However, keep in mind, when you do the hard reset, this will erase everything. It will be like it came out of the box. So any settings that you've put in will be erased, any apps that you have on it will be erased, any devices that you have it paired with will be erased. You have to redo all that, which also means that it's actually a good thing to do if you are going to sell the device. But anyways, if you've decided to do it, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's real easy. Basically, you're going to hit the home button on your remote, and then you're going to go into the settings menu. And from the settings menu, you're going to go down to General, and from over to General, you're going to go to Reset. Now, when you click on the reset, it's going to ask you to enter your PIN. So you'll enter your PIN, and then once you do that, it's going to ask you to confirm, and it's going to say, hey, it's going to return it to the factory settings, the factory default settings. So make sure that you want to do it. You hit yes, and it will go through a reset process, turn off, and then you can turn it back on, and it will be like you got it out of the box. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.